Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of classification. So, what is classification? Classification is grouping living things based on their similarities and evolutionary relationships. For example, think of organizing a wardrobe. While organizing, we keep similar things together, right? That is how classification is done. Similar organisms are kept in the same group. But a question arises, why do we need classification? The answer is we need classification to understand diversity and relationships, to identify and name species easily, to study and conserve organisms effectively, to communicate accurately among scientists and researchers, to predict characteristics and behaviors of the organism, and to organize knowledge systematically. Let's time travel into the rich history of classification. Classification of living things dates back to ancient Greece. Aristotle in 384 to 322 BCE classified living organisms into plants and animals. The mid classification follows the work done by Carl Linnaeus in year 1707 to 1778. He developed binomial nomenclature grouped by shared traits. His book Systema Naturae laid the foundation for modern taxonomy. This was followed by the evolutionary leap due to work done by Charles Darwin from 1809 to 1882. His theory of evolution led to phylogenetic classification, focusing on evolutionary relationships. The modern era, which is 20th century onwards, combines morphology, genetics, and molecular biology. It mainly focuses on evolutionary relationships and DNA sequencing. So, we have seen how classification systems have evolved over time, from Aristotle to modern taxonomy. Now, let's dive into the ranks. We have hierarchical system with the following ranks: kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus, and species. So these were the ranks of classification. Now classification system. There are a few approaches of classification system. The traditional Linnaean system groups organisms according to their physical characteristics. Then there is a modern phylogenetic system which groups organisms according to evolutionary relationships. The most widely used system now is APG system of classification for plants and a mix of cladistics and traditional taxonomy for animals. These systems keep evolving as we get new genetic data. So, the classification systems are essential for organizing the life's diversity. Here are some key reasons why it is a big deal. It makes the study of wide variety of organisms easy, orderly, and efficient. It helps map the interrelationships among the organisms of different groups, showing how they are related. It allows for the accurate identification of new or existing organisms. It groups similar organisms for easier study. Classification is used in conservation of species, research, and much more. It also helps in understanding ecosystem and interactions. It helps in understanding phylogeny and evolutionary history of life. And that's a wrap on classification. It's a very powerful tool that helps us make sense of life's diversity. Whether it is conserving species, advancing on medicines, or simply understanding our ecosystem. Classification plays a key role. That's it for this video. Like, share, comment, save. Do subscribe the channel if you are new. Also watch other videos. Study well. Thank you. Bye bye.